Hey guys, we got this awesome tool set. We're going to take a look at some new tools today. We've got our bulldozers and our cement trucks. We got our drill and hammer. Let's take a look at all of our cool toys. Let's do it. All right guys, first up we've got our pliers. These are really cool. These are actually sharp enough to cut any type of screw or nail. You simply put it inside that opening there and snip it, and that cuts up. These are pliers. Let's take a look at this one. This is our file. This is our metal file. You take a file, you put it on the end of a nail or a screw, and you file it down straight. This is one of the coolest things we've got in our tool set. Next up, flathead screwdriver. You want to know why they call it flathead? Because it's flat. That's right. It's flat in the front. See? There's nothing like it. It's not like a Phillips. This is called a Phillips screwdriver because it's not flat in the front. It's got four sides, a flathead and a Phillips. Now let's take a look at our drill. This thing actually works. Check out our drill. You ready for this? Pretty cool drill, huh? This baby can almost screw in a screw. But it is a toy. It's not real. We're going to check out our hammer. The next one is our hammer. And of course you know what we do with hammers. Ow. Okay, that's not good. Now we've got our saw. That's right. These blades are so sharp they could cut through anything. I definitely could use that on some wood, that's for sure. Then we've got our wrench. It's actually two-sided wrench. One, and believe it or not, you can actually use this side too. Very cool.